Hello everybody, this is Vlada from Vlada's Place, and I want to share a quick clip from today. I spent some time clipping my fruit trees and I was pruning my apple tree today as well. So every year when I do this, I make sure to save some of these beautiful buds that are coming on branches, and I want to show you how you too can use some of these to decorate your home. So I have a couple of different dishes. This will be for taller branches and this will be for the little ones. So as I said, these beautiful blossoms are just about to open, and we want to make sure that we use some of them so we can have these beautiful flowers and their fragrance available to us indoors, because why would we waste it? If you pay attention, you'll notice that nature offers abundance of beautiful things around us. And if you have just a little creativity, or if you give yourself just a little bit of time, there's so many things that you can do with these little things that are around us. This is also a great opportunity to quiet your mind down and to immerse yourself consciously into appreciation, gratitude, and love for all the things and people that you have in your life. It's so simple, it's small, but it makes me happy. And that's what life is all about, finding the little things in life that you love and then finding the time to enjoy those little things. And this is one of those moments and one of those things in life that can bring you so much joy and so much happiness. So while some of us are looking for happiness in shops and a new bag, new car, new makeup, new whatever, I just want to remind you that happiness sometimes could be hiding in places and things like this. I'm preparing a special dinner for me and my son tonight, and this arrangement will be our table centerpiece. And I think it looks equally, if not more beautiful than the arrangement behind it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like to keep your life simple and real, please join us on this channel.